Chef Nobu.
Hey.
It's an absolute pleasure.
Nice to meet you.
Now, as you can see, my belly's getting big, so I think I need to go on a sushi diet.
I'm gonna teach you how to lose for the stomach. Yeah.
Okay.
Right, so today I'd like to teach you how to make the sushi.
Please do.
So from the edge to the top, it's very sharp.
Mm-hmm.
You know, you don't need the pressure for the sliced fish. Fingers, more flexible.
Okay.
Touch this support, then here, just a slice.
Look at that. Barely any pressure at all.
Oh!
Okay.
All right, okay.
So what's the next step?
This is water.
Yeah.
Makes fingers wet. Yeah, sushi rice is very important because not too much sticky.
Yeah.
And after steam rice, we make the rice vinegar, salt, and used to be the sugar, but I stopped using sugars.
Okay.
So we're using the monk fruits. Monk fruits is like from the natural fruits, organic, and no sugar, it's no calorie. But still takes a little sweet.
Yeah.
But so it's very healthy. Like that.
I'll try and get the amount right this time. Okay. How about that?
Oh, great. Perfect.
Perfect. Good. I think that's pretty spot on so far.
One like this.
Yes.
One like this. Two. Turn. 3, 4, 5, 6.
That doesn't look too bad at all, does it?
It's okay. Perfect. I'm gonna teach you how to eat. Two ways. Like one, it's into fingers. Turn up.
Yeah.
Same
might
way.
Stay together.
Yeah. Okay, like this.
Yeah.
Right. Then this is soy sauce. Put
Okay.
rice at the fish side.
Yeah.
Then eat one bite.
So how many of these different bits of sushi would you make per night on a typical setting here?
How many pieces are we gonna make a day?
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe 1,000.
1,000. 1,000.
Not myself, all the sushi chefs. Yeah.
1,000. Well, as you've seen, I'm now an expert at sushi cooking, and if you would like to be an expert, then all you have to do is pick up one of Chef Nobu's books here. What's your favourite book that you've done that's in front of? Because they're all available here. Which one would you pick up?
Well, it's all my favorite, but today, you know, I teach to you how to make sushi.
Yep.
And also I have the Nobu sushi book. I recommend this one. So if you read it, so you understand more about the sushi.
Well, us here in Dubai, we're very happy your restaurant is in Dubai. I know you've got restaurants all over the world, but to have one here in Dubai is fantastic.
I love Dubai anyway.
Yeah? Chef Nobu, thank you so much. I feel prepared now, so I'm going to get into the kitchen for work.
Great, come here. All right, I give you the new job for. Hey, we got the new chef here.
Oh, very good. Hello. Right,
So,
you want me doing the dishes? No.
Yeah, watch your dishes.
I don't want to do the dishes.